What can our workplaces look like when they seek to become more welcoming? How can we contribute to shaping our work environments into places of greater safety, respect, and dignity?
We are offering a crucial and timely workforce training through Empower called A Learning Journey and Introduction to Equity, Diversity, and Inclusion.
This training complements the Launchpad series. We strive to create a safe space for participants to explore basic equity, diversity, and inclusion terminology and concepts so that they can be better informed, sought after, and valued employers and employees.
The workshop goals are to deepen listening skills, explore foundational experiences, and strengthen tools for bridge building so that participants might work more productively and with ease alongside others who might look, believe, or think differently.
We look forward to learning with you.
Great. Okay,
And
that
who
was good.
knows?